What's up, guys? Matt back with another video for you guys. We're going to be doing some more work on the 69 Mach 1 today. So we're going to be running some errands. I got to get some flex plate. No, I got flex plate bolts because I got ARP bolts for that. But I need to get some pressure plate bolts for my pressure plate so I can put that stuff together on this guy, which you saw a video for last time, which, hey, by the way, thank y'all for watching that and commenting. Man, that video, that's been my most popular video so far. I think it's up to 6,000 views in a week, so hey, I appreciate it. That's awesome. You guys help me out, keep it up, watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I'd like to get this thing growing, get some traction, and be able to not only inform but have fun doing it. So information and fun are part of the game. So we're going to be working on that. I got a flywheel we're going to be putting on there, as well as a clutch and all that stuff. We got this over here. So McLeod, I got a McLeod aluminum lightweight flywheel and a McLeod clutch for that, as well as there's the ARP bolts there. So we got that. And then I got my block plate, well, some people call it a block plate, spacer plate, starter alignment plate, whatever you want to call it on a Ford, but I got that, as well as my bell housing down there. Got a new shifter fork, little ball, I don't know what they call that, but the knob thing for the fork to sit on. Replace that. Oh, and then also I got my center section for my rear end. It's finally in, so we're getting some parts together. We're getting close to having a full drivetrain. Actually, I think I got about everything. I just have to get it in the car. Which brings me to my point of the day. So I don't think we're gonna get a lot done today. The goal for today is to be able to see if that will fit into that. So I was thinking that because those cars like 69, 70 came with a Cleveland, which is basically the brother of that for the most part. I mean, I know there are differences. I'm not going to get into all that because I don't know all of the differences, but I do know there are differences. So don't beat me up too much. But I was under the impression that maybe because a Cleveland would fit in that car, that this would fit in the car. And some people are telling me that that's not the case. So I'm going to try that out today, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I do know that I measured across, and it looks like it's got like an inch to spare according to the measuring tape, but I'm going to drop it in, show you guys what the clearances look like, show you what putting headers in it is going to look like. So hopefully it'll be informative for you. I don't know how many people are putting a Yates-headed 9.5 inch Windsor in 69, 70 Mach 1s, or Mustangs for that matter, but maybe after this video you might feel like you can or can't. So we're going to try it out and see what we got, and we will go from there. So let me get a few things set up. I got to run get a couple bolts and hopefully have everything I need to put this thing together and test fit it. If it does fit, I'm going to leave it in there. That's the plan. So I'm trying to have everything that I need versus pulling it in and out 800 times. So bear with me. We're going to work on that today, and hopefully we'll learn a few things. Hopefully it'll be fun. Hopefully I will find out that it's not going to be a pain in the butt to put this motor in there. I will tell you this. I want to make this motor work, but if I have to cut any sheet metal, as in shock towers, anything like that, I will not be doing that. So prepare mentally. My goal is to have that engine in there, but that is an all original sheet metal car. There's no aftermarket body panels on it, and I want to keep it that way, and I don't want to cut up anything to make it work because the car is too valuable to me. Having it all original sheet metal, I don't want to mess that up. So, and I believe y'all would understand and agree with me on that. But we're going to do our best to see if it'll work, and we will go from there. All right, we may have gotten a little carried away here.
Why?
I'm talking to the camera. We might have gotten carried away because I wasn't planning on putting the transmission and everything in there, but it just kept going pretty smooth, so we're gonna try to set it in there. So here we go.
I think it'll go.
Yeah. All right, we're getting close.
Yeah, if we can get past the oil pan we got made.
All right, guys. Well, we have an engine in the car. I didn't film very much of it because I had 2 neighbor kids come over to help me, which was great, and my grandfather, of course. But every time I tried to film something and I was speaking to the camera, my grandfather would interject or ask a question and say, what'd you say? So I don't think I'm going to use much of that, but a couple things we need to address before I show you the engine in the car. First and foremost, it fits. Okay, it is tight. The headers will be a job, but I have a 64 Comet with a 9.5 AFR, like 220 AFR Renegade head engine, and a 64 Comet with stock shock towers, and we made a set of headers work. We made a custom set of headers for it, and they worked. And so this is going to be a similar boat, but not quite as bad. I think this one will be a little bit easier. So anyways, so it will fit, and I'll show you pictures, and I'll show you video. I feel like a picture might be a little bit better, show it a little bit better, because I think a video, I don't know if it's going to justify what it looks like, but we got it in there. Now, after you see the pictures, I know the T5 is totally, it's not ideal, right? So don't blow me up in the comments, because I already know that. It's literally just going in the car so that I can get the car running. Eventually we will upgrade to a TKX, something along those lines. So obviously transmission, not ideal. It's got a McLeod street stock or whatever clutch, so the clutch is rated for like 400 horsepower. Obviously not ideal, so don't beat me up. It's just to get the car running so I can take it to car shows. That's it. So anyways, there it is. We'll walk over there and look at it a little bit here. I will say this, I'm a little bit excited because it looks freaking awesome. It does look big in there for a Windsor. It looks big, but it looks pretty good. So there's your space. I think you can see this side's going to be relatively easy. Right there will be the hardest part, but I think we can make that work pretty easily. This header bolt right here is going to be a little bit of a pain, but again, we'll make it work. So that side, not too bad. This side, on the other hand, going to be interesting. Same story on the front 2 primaries here, not bad. Primaries back here. This one right here is going to be fun, and that I believe someone, it was either on Facebook, I think it was on Facebook, somebody posted a picture of the primary coming up and over and around, which is obviously probably what we're going to have to do. But other than that, I mean, I feel pretty good about it. I think it's going to be pretty good. I'm not too overly concerned. I think it's going to be great. So we've got a few things to iron out. I'm going to work on a few other things, but other than that, like, check this thing out. It looks freaking good. It's a little aggressive looking, but of course, you know, wouldn't expect anything less. Now, hood clearance is definitely going to be an issue. But I mean, who doesn't want a big old carburetor sticking out of their engine bay? I mean, I know I do. So we're not going to cut the stock hood up, though. I think I'm going to order a hood and then either put like some kind of shaker something on it. I don't even know, it might be even too tall for a shaker, but some kind of shaker, or maybe like a Boss 429 style scoop, because that should give us a little bit extra space. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I hope y'all are too. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do a few more update videos as we go along. I haven't tried to fit the booster in there yet, but I don't know if it will work or not. We're gonna try it. I think it should. I think it'll be close, but I think it should. Anyways, we're gonna carry on, and we're gonna put this thing up. I do apologize I didn't get any more videos for you, but like I said, I had a grandfather and 2 neighborhood kids helping me, So it just made it a little bit more difficult, but we got there. So I will say this, that one lower motor mount bolt down there, without the neighborhood kids, I don't think I would have ever got that thing. It was a pain, to say the least. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna roll this thing back in the garage.